Throughout this video, we will discover tools that you need in order to improve your code. From alternative IDEs to full-on plugins that do the things that you don't want to do. Better keep watching to find out more, so let's get started. First up, we have Omnisharp. Omnisharp is a set of open source tooling, middleware, and libraries that bring a great .NET coding experience to various editors like Atom, Brackets, Sublime Text, Emacs, and Vim. It's cross-platform and works nicely with .NET and .NET Core applications. If you're a fan of these editors, Omnisharp is a must-have tool for you. It provides a unified programming model with services like code check, IntelliSense, code formatting, and refactoring, making your coding experience smoother and more efficient. It's like having the power of Visual Studio in your favorite text editor. You'll find the link to each of the tools in the description below if you want to check them out. Tool number 2 is ReSharper, a popular developer productivity extension for Visual Studio. ReSharper automates most of what can be automated in your coding routines. It finds compiler errors, runtime errors, redundancies, and code smells right as you type, suggesting intelligent corrections for them. ReSharper also offers a range of code editing helpers like extended IntelliSense, hundreds of instant code transformations, auto-importing namespaces, rearranging code, and displaying documentation. Like a personal assistant that takes care of the routine, letting you focus on the important stuff. ReSharper extends Visual Studio with over 2,200 on-the-fly code inspections for C#, VB.NET, ASP.NET, JavaScript, TypeScript, and other technologies. Now we got another big one, actually another big 3. A set of tools that will aid you for testing, for package management, and for concurrent testing. So let's see what that might be. But before we dive deep into the next tools, let's talk about the solution AlterNET Studio from the sponsor of our video, AlterNET Software. Listen to this. This is officially your 6th bonus tool. So what is AlterNET Studio? Well, AlterNET Studio is not just a tool. It's a complete platform that extends your .NET applications with code editing, scripting, and user interface designing capabilities. It's like having a mini Visual Studio inside your application. And the best part, it supports multiple languages, including C#, Visual Basic, TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, and IronPython. Check out the link in the description to check out the demos and a free 30-day evaluation version. So a big shout out to AlterNET Software for sponsoring this video. Moving on to our third tool, or should I say tools? Yes, we're talking about the familiar pack of N tools that you may know about. NUnit, NuGet, NCrunch. These 3 tools are like the holy trinity for .NET developers. NUnit is a unit testing framework for all .NET languages. It serves the same purpose as JUnit does in the Java world and is one of many programs in the XUnit family. It's a crucial tool for test-driven development and it's completely open source. Then we have NuGet, an essential tool for any modern development platform. It's a mechanism through which developers can create, share, and consume useful code. Often, such code is bundled into packages that contain compiled code as DLLs, along with other content needed in the projects that consume these packages. And lastly, we have NCrunch, an automated concurrent testing tool for Visual Studio. It intelligently runs automated tests so that you don't have to while you are working. It significantly reduces the time to deliver the final product by giving you a continuous feedback on the health of your code base. So NUnit for testing, NuGet for package management, and NCrunch for concurrent testing. These 3 are a must-have in your developer kit. For our 4th tool, we have DotCover. You may have heard about JetBrains DotCover before, but if you haven't yet used it, then let me tell you, it's a code coverage tool that analyzes your code and reports how much is covered by unit tests. You know, those unit tests that you should have started using for your code a long while ago? Well, now that you have this tool to help you with them, better start unit testing. We have a great video on our C# channel about that, if you want to check it out, by the way. You can find the link below. So .cover is a great tool for continuous testing. .cover calculates and reports statement-level code coverage in applications targeting .NET Framework, .NET Core, Mono, and even Mono for Unity. It's integrated into Visual Studio and JetBrains Writer, allowing you to analyze and visualize code coverage without leaving the code editor. And the last but not least, we have DotTrace, another big one from JetBrains, a performance profiling tool to be exact. DotTrace helps you detect performance bottlenecks in your .NET applications and provides a comprehensive performance analysis. It can analyze any performance issues and get accurate data on calls execution time. With DotTrace, you can ensure your .NET applications are running at their peak performance. DotTrace gives you accurate data on calls execution time, helps you analyze any performance issues, profile SQL queries and HTTP requests, and even profile static methods and unit testing. And now I'd like to hear from you. Do you have any other tips for great tools that you consider essential? Or do you have some questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. We always love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!